Hello everybody. You know, sitting here looking at the autumn reports on the bird counts back and the butterfly counts back, and it's really low numbers this year, and that is quite upsetting for all of us, I realise. Other people are still quite upbeat, saying, oh, I have plenty of pollinators in my garden this year, you know, I haven't got a problem at all. Well, good for you. But overall, the numbers are down. And if the numbers are down, I just want you to very briefly be able to make the connection from low insect populations and low bird numbers. Most birds that we all love, that aren't endangered or anything, feed their chicks insects. So this year, no insects. You're talking about the starvation of chicks within the nest, the fact that the parents can't sustain sitting on the nest because the weather is not making it so that their partner, their mate, is able to bring them enough food. So nests have been abandoned this year, chicks have starved, so the bird population will have taken a hit as well. This is, I'm not just a mad pollinator crazed gardener. It's because I've joined the dots. No pollinators, no birds. No birds, if they're food source for mammals, no mammals. It just continues. If we've lost our pollinators, we end up with soil erosion as the decline of fertile plants ends. Basically, don't think that it's still all fine, because it's not. And I think the weather systems, the seasonal systems, the changes in our climate, for whatever reason, are clear indicators of we've got to pay attention. And gardeners, you've got to do everything you can to protect the system in place, which is insects feeding from your plants, laying their eggs on your plants, regrowing, and then the birds taking the insects to feed to their young, and there it keeps the whole system going. I'm probably oversimplifying this, but please think about it. It's really important that we support nature by good gardening. So, off you go and do some good gardening.